The fourth Google Sites tutorial is adding information to pages. Now the goal of this playlist is to simply do a basic setup of your Google site. So this next tutorial will be simply adding basic information such as contact information or class information using a text box to your Google site. So once you've set up your initial site and all of your pages and subpages and changed your theme, you are going to want to add information. So you're going to click on the page that you want to add information to. I'm going to add to my class information. And you're going to go to Insert and a text box. Now this is the simplest way to just type basic text into your Google site. I'm just simply going to put the way that the parents can contact me or that the students can contact me. So I'm going to put my email. I'm going to put contact information first. And then do email. I'm going to do my Twitter. I'm going to do the Overland Park Facebook page. And then I'm going to add my phone number. My school phone number, not my home phone number. So that's a simple way to add basic text. Now we also have a YouTube video that all the teachers created for the beginning of the year that has their class information, homework policies, and things like that. So I'm going to go to my school YouTube page. And I want to just embed that video. So I need to switch my account. And then I'm going to go to my Creator Studio. I'm going to find my video. Here is mine. So I'm going to click on it, copy the link, and go back and hit this embed button. I'm going to paste the link, and it's going to show my back to school video. So I want to insert that simply so that I don't have to type any more of the information out. Now once I have done that, you can come over here. You can change the background. You can trash it, and you can duplicate a section if you think that that is necessary. You can also rearrange where they go. I like my contact information right at the top, but then I'm going to put this YouTube video down here so that they have the back to school video as well. So that is how you add a simple text box or embed a link. You can also add images if you so choose, the same way that you would embed a link. So enjoy adding some simple text to your Google site.